Today we are going to learn how to take the top panel off of one of these LG washing machines. At the back of the washing machine you will see these small plastic tabs. There are two screws, one at the top, one at the bottom. You need to remove the bottom screw. I recommend using a short stubby screwdriver. And you're going to do that on this one, and there's another one just behind that piece of paper label on the other side. Right over here. Okay, and now to take the lid off, after these two screws are off, you simply push the lid away from yourself. And now lift. That's it. Installation is reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.